Hello friend, how are you? I'm bringing another video for you. This is the Tradingview platform. Tradingview indicator. Just I highlight you. Maybe you can use that indicator if you love it. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and make a thumbs up. So Tradingview indicator is most popular and very good indicator. You can use it and you will get a benefit. Nice indicator. And if you want to use always the trend line, you can use the trend line and definitely you can make a better things with the trend line. Always use trend line and highlight the trend line and get a more accuracy. When is break the trend line, always break the trend line, you can get a high accuracy to your trading journey. How? Anyway, you can use it as the trend line. You can use counter trend line all the time. You see the trend line is break, is coming down. Trend line is break, is coming up. Trend line break is coming down. Okay. Anyway, it's fine. Just I am highlighting more quickly some trend line. Okay. So then now I'm going to show you that indicator. I'm going to indicator. Let's see the indicator if is there. What indicator I put it? Yeah, this is the indicator. So when is the indicator two line is crossed together, that big line, this big moving average, when is crossed together, up is buy, when is crossed down sell, but you have to careful look after the market is sideways or not, because it's uptrend. Here is a crossing going up, again here is a crossing but is small, going small but still is uptrend. Here is a crossing and going up. Yeah, now is coming. Here is a crossing, then is coming big sell. Here is a crossing going up, then market is coming down but is not crossing here, sideways, then is crossing up, going upside, then here is a crossing, is coming down. But if is not crossing and market is coming down, you are not doing buy sell. When it's crossing, then you make sure this. So you always you see how the indicator work. So I am going to just show you this indicator quickly, that indicator. So I am going to indicator box, then I have to writing T R A D A TED TED Sport Pro Advanced, TED Sport Pro Advanced MA, and supply demand is TED Sport. Just I click it here, then moving average coming, I coming out from there. You can see that moving average simple, you plot. Okay, setting, you don't change anything, just whatever is here uh, is the default, use as a default, don't change anything, don't need any modify, you can use it like that, you can use it like that. This is the indicate for you, because you're going to find out too difficult. If somebody indicate you this indicator is good and working, you can see when is two moving average cross and coming is red together, then we can see starting sell. When is two moving average coming green and cross is coming buy. Here is a market is coming sell, but two moving average here is a not closing, crossing, not crossing, because there is a crossing, two moving average together green and crossing, then is buy. And here is a two moving average crossing with a red, that means is starting sell. So all the indicator exactly not 100%, but is this indicator, yeah, mood accuracy is most accuracy, you can find the most accuracy is working very nice, you can try it and check it. Thank you very much, enjoy your day. Okay, thanks.